Hello friends, I am super excited because I just received my new smart companion robot for pets. And as you can see, it's really like a minimalist, modern equipment. Okay. It allows you to see, film, talk, and treat your pets. So I think it's really, really nice. It comes with a user manual, of course, with charging cable, USB-C to charge it here, and, well, all the accessories that you need to configure it and connect it, okay? Here, you are going to be able to put the treats that the machine will give to your pets if you decided to. So they go here. And, well, I really want to start using it. Let me charge it and configure it. Perfect. So we are going to pair the phone with the actual equipment. Okay. Okay, let's get the infinitum, the internet code. Okay. We are now in the Wi-Fi.
Starting. Waiting for network configuration. Connect to network successfully.
Yes, we're connected. Okay. So we are ready. Look at that. This is great. Okay, we want to test it. Okay, let's try it with the real dogs, okay? Let me show you. Wow, hi Choco. Hi Milo. And there's Peggy. Hi Peggy. Perfect. Okay, let's try the treats. Hola, Milo. Hi, Milo. Hi, Milo. Perfect. Now we're taking a 30 seconds video. Okay, perfect. Another treat. This is so great. Okay, friends, I really recommend this.